We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2018 Ducati Scrambler Mach 2 with the Roland Sands paint job. This thing is a load of fun, very light, easy to maneuver. It's equipped with ABS front and rear, solid Brembo brakes, really cool seat, really comfortable seat too. The stitching is nice. It's got that 2-in-1. We also have really low miles. We're at 436. That is all. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check this one out. It's really fun.